So here we are, ready to finish up grafting this piece for Gnana. Usually when we graft, the yarn is coming off the back needle. So I'm just going to walk you through how the process looks like if it's coming from the front. So the first thing we need to do is go knitwise through the back stitch. That will secure that stitch. And then we go purlwise through the front stitch. So this is the opposite of the way you'd normally do it. And then it's purlwise and off, knitwise and stay on. So the steps are the same, just in reverse order. Knitwise off, purl stays on. Purlwise off, knit stays on. Knitwise off, purl stays on. So it's not tricky, it just is the same thing as usual, just starting on the opposite side. So we're securing in a slightly different order, and once you're mid-graft, it doesn't matter. You'll be able to tell which one you've just finished because the yarn will be coming off it, and then you'll just go and work the back action and the back needle action and the front needle action all the way across. No problem, nothing new and fancy, just a different start.